Hey everyone, welcome back to Bit9 Tutorials. In this video, I'll guide you through how to download a full YouTube playlist step by step. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more. To start, make sure you've created or selected the playlist you want to download. In this example, I've already added a few videos to a playlist called My Videos. Now go to the left-hand side of YouTube and click on Playlists. Find the playlist you want to download and click on View Full Playlist. Once your playlist is open, you should see a download icon on the left side of the playlist page. If you don't see the download icon directly, look for the three-dot menu icon on the left, click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Download. After that, your playlist will begin downloading. To view your saved videos later, click on Downloads from the left-hand menu, and you'll find the entire playlist available for offline viewing. Here's the key part. You need a YouTube Premium subscription to be able to download playlists. Without Premium, this feature won't be available, and that's it. Simple and easy. If this helped, be sure to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more YouTube and tech tutorials.